This is an interesting experiment in making sustainability courses more alive. Students, especially at a younger age like high school, tend to think of sustainability courses or concepts in general as too idealistic, maybe not very practical, whatever sense they have about how to make things life sustainable, water, food, energy, etc. How do you bring more energy into it, get them to be more curious about it? So theater is tried with farmer and a fisherman, a farmer and a fisherman, where a farmer is seen as a person who manages land, plans for the season, sows the land, puts the seeds in, does irrigation or waits for the rain or whatever, aims for puts fertilizer, aims for higher crop yields, and then plans for the next season by cleaning up the land and saving the seeds for the future, and always worried about health of the soil, rainfall amounts, etc. Whereas fishermen is just going to go out, catch the fish that is there already, unless there are regulations about how many to catch and when to go fishing and when not to go fishing, etc. There is nothing necessarily like putting fertilizers or making the fish grow more. There is some kind of a management plan which is imposed by the government. Sometimes international agreements are involved in managing fisheries because they are international waters, or the fish move from one country's water into another country's water and so on. So this contrast gives students a way to think about how sustainability is actually more complicated. Then they ask better questions, and when they take courses on sustainability, they think more about how to manage resources, especially when it's shared, like fisheries, or about what a farmer worries about in terms of seasonal crop yields, what is being planned by a farmer for this season, what is being anticipated in terms of maximizing the crop, or how to arrange water for irrigation. So lots of questions come up when theater is used to induce these concepts. They don't have a statistical test for whether these were useful, but they took surveys and they conclude that, in fact, adding theater to sustainability increases students' interests and make the courses more alive and makes them more curious.